Hello everyone, welcome back to another video unboxing. This time, if you watch my channel, you know that I do have a pretty decent collection of earbuds. 50% were freebies, 50% purchase, and I like quirky stuff. I don't really tend to buy, the things I purchase are usually pretty cheap, 30-40 pounds at max. I don't buy like anything over 100 pounds. The most expensive ones are usually my freebies, like the OnePlus earbuds, the Huawei earbuds are worth like 79.99 to 100 pounds. Those were freebies when you do a early bird purchase from their website. So really, the cheap stuff is my purchase, and the more expensive ones are the freebies. And I tend to just buy quirky stuff. I barely use them. And my last video you saw me with when I was in China, Shanghai, I got the Xingqiang earbuds. Check that video out. This one, I found a nice Coca-Cola one. One of my favorite drinks is Coke Zero, and I have a Coke Zero at least twice a day. You probably say it's really bad. I know it's bad. I suppose it's better than a full Coke. I have to apologize. You will hear some noise. Kids upstairs are running around like crazy. This is Saturday after all. I'm surprised the parents ain't taking them out. This is nice weather. So apologies. There may be some noise upstairs. Okay. There was actually two colors. You had the black and red one, or the red and this is like gold. See if I can capture a little bit gold. I thought this is more classical. You know what? You got a nice, look like the bottle at the top, whatever they're called. And let's see. Yeah, here you go. USB-C. See if I can get this open. Or there you go. Pretty cool. And here's the earbuds. Coca-Cola, nice, awesome classic Coca-Cola there. We get that in focus. If I can get in focus, which I can't. I really do need to get a new camera. Thinking of getting a new DJI soon. And that pretty cool. Yeah. Whoops. That is so cool. Inside, let's see the rest. I love the packaging as well. This is actually pretty cheap. It's only about 10 to 12 pounds. It wasn't that expensive. There you go. You've got USB-C, A to C cable, Coca-Cola manual. This is from that mini shop in Shanghai. And they do pretty decent stuff if you really like that kind of, cute stuff. And they're really well priced. I mean, they're still pretty well priced in London, but I would say double the price in the UK, which is not bad considering the living standards here. This will probably cost about £20 in the UK. Still flickering. So yeah, nice Coca-Cola unboxing USB. Well, I was going to say USB-C earbuds. Pretty cool. Yeah, just added to my collection. I just wish that, because if you remember this one and my previous ones, packaging is pretty big. Again, my phone, 6.8 inches. It's pretty big. I wish they kind of make it a lot more smaller, because this packaging is quite big. Anyway, there you go. Please like, subscribe for more geeky stuff, tech stuff, phone stuff, holiday stuff. Yeah, appreciate you guys and girls. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Until next time, goodbye now.